Good morning, happy Sunday. Today is an exciting video because Brendan is finally moved in. He has his furniture, as you can see, a little sneak peek. We have dining room furniture, which is nice. Finally folded up the Costco table that we were using. Now that we've unpacked majority of Brendan's stuff on the main floor and then kind of organized, it's like organized chaos upstairs, I'll show you later, I can now decorate for fall. So we're gonna do that today. First, I'm gonna keep it a regular like Sunday clean video because I need to clean before I decorate. So I need to do some laundry, vacuum mop the floor. This little one has just been walked, he's been bathed, he's clean. Bed and towels and everything related to him are clean and put away. Wash the guest bed sheets. I just need to make that bed. And then I need to strip our bed and wash the sheet. The other guest room, we're gonna be building the bed tonight when Brendan gets home from mountain biking. That would be good. So I think I'll wash those sheets. I was gonna put our bed sheet. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Yeah, anyway, enough chatting. Just figured I'd come on here, show you the lowdown. So let's get started. Okay, out. Go away. Okay, pumpkin number one, a broomstick. Okay, bin number one. I also don't know what is in what, so this might be a little fragile. Bin number two, that was heavy and I fully lifted with my back. Oh my gosh, this mattress protector is so slippery. I just carried those two boxes, I like stacked them. I carried them down the stairs. Oh my God. I remember this song. Man, OG Miley Cyrus. I thrifted this. My God, I'm so out of shape. Why did I change into a long sleeve? That smells amazing. Oh my God, this bin smells so good. Okay, we have a blanket. Oh yeah, I forgot I got these pumpkin candles at IKEA. I got those at the end of last year. Actually, a lot of this stuff is end of last year, like clearance items for this year, so this is nice. Ooh, oh my gosh, okay. This is nice. This is what I wanted. This takes me back to old October days. I filmed every day but posted once a week or twice a week or something like that. Oh my God. I don't know where to put this. So cluttered. Like, I like this idea. It would be cool to like mount it, you know? You know what I'm saying? I think this is a dog is just gonna eat it. That's why I wanna keep it in its plastic. I don't know. The idea was there, but I don't think I can execute it.